So my grandparents were planners, architects and engineers. My mum is a scientist with a real passion for plants and lectured biology at a local university. My father is an ecologist. I guess you could say I have science in my genes. Today I'm leading a team at Grünenthal that is exploring the potential of genetic medicine to create life-changing treatments for patients. I love the close link between my daily work and the real-world impact it could have on people and patients' lives. Genetic medicine is a field with unbelievable opportunities. You can develop a drug that is tailored to a single person, but you can also scale up the platform and apply the technology to targets that potentially benefit a very large number of patients. For me, genetic medicine is about addressing the cause of disease directly. It allows us to use the genetic code itself to design medicines with far greater precision. At Grünenthal, we are focused on targeting RNA. That means we're not changing DNA permanently, but we can still achieve long-lasting effects on the proteins that drive disease. Our goal isn't just to treat symptoms, it's to get at the root of disease processes and move closer to a cure. By targeting RNA, we can design precise medicines and apply the same platform to many conditions. It's all about precision, scalability, and ultimately cure. I'm a passionate sailor, and one of the things I love about sailing is how many variables have to come together: the wind, the tide, the tactics, but really importantly, how much you depend on your crew working as a team to win a race. I sort of see genetic medicine in a similar way. Our medicines are like a yacht, a platform, and its crew. The yacht is the carrier. It brings us to the right destination safely, just like our delivery system targets the right types of cells. The crew, or the cargo, they work together to carry out a very precise mission. In our case, switching off or degrading RNA so that the cell no longer produces a protein that drives disease. And just like in sailing, you can send the same yacht out again and again with different crews, different cargoes. Each one can take on a different challenge, targeting another protein, another type of pain, or even diseases such as rare sensory disorders. Traditional medication blocks proteins at all the different places in the human body where they can be found. Within our genetic medicine approach, we can intervene one step further and prevent the production of these proteins in the first place. Here we create the long-term effect. Importantly, we are targeting RNA and not DNA. That means the process is reversible, but for the patient, the benefit tends to last longer. A single treatment might potentially provide relief for months before its effects wears off. The scalability is connected to our yacht, our platform. Our initial goal is treating pain conditions. For that, very generally speaking, we need to have a yacht, a platform that can dock to neurons safely in the peripheral nervous system. However, these neurons could also be relevant in other diseases. And once we have a yacht, a platform that can access them safely, we can relatively quickly equip this yacht with a different crew, a different cargo that allows us to manipulate a different process and thus a different disease. My wife is a doctor, and I know from her experience how much chronic pain can affect every aspect of a patient's life. It's what drives my passion to find better solutions. That's why I'm so excited about this technology. If we can leverage genetic medicine to create an innovative treatment, we can truly impact the lives of all those people, their friends and their families. I'm Keith, and I'm proud to work for a world free of pain.